Stop stressing over strict keto rules. Discover the flexible, fat-burning magic of Atkins Keto. Atkins offers a more sustainable, personalized take on the keto diet. By emphasizing healthy fats, optimal protein, and flexible low-carb eating, Atkins helps you enter fat-burning ketosis without the strict limitations of classic keto. The science is clear. A low-carb, high-fat diet like Atkins can supercharge weight loss by rerouting your metabolism to burn fat instead of carbs. But Atkins gives you more food choices and better nutritional balance to make keto livable long-term. With Atkins 20 and Atkins 40, you can choose the plan that fits your goals and lifestyle. Get access to custom tools, recipes, and a supportive community to make reaching ketosis easier than ever. Keto doesn't have to mean deprivation. Experience the benefits of fat-burning ketosis the Atkins way, with more flexibility, variety, and sustainability to help you lose weight and feel your best. Get started today. Don't forget to utilize the 369 manifestation method when incorporating new impactful lifestyle changes. And remember to like, subscribe, and hit the alert bell for the latest videos from Peak Mind Provisions 369.